blast off, okay? All it is practicing our jumping, okay? So I'm going to count some different steps. So when I say 1, I need to crouch. When I say 2, you can get ready. When I say 3, you jump. Just like a rocket. Do you think you can do that? When I say 1, you crouch down. 2, 3, you jump. Just like that. That was brilliant. 1, crouch down. 2, 3. And again, ready? 1, 2, 3. Again, one more time.